everyone, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to try on the Slim Face tape. So this tape is to slim your cheeks and your chin. The 瘦脸贴. I ordered this last month and it's finally arrived. And so in one package, it has 5 pairs. You can probably see that I have side bands because it helps to slim my face. Without the side bands, my face will look chubby like this. See? Chubby face, smaller face, and chubby face. A lot of smaller, right? It's a big differences. So you can say, and this tape is to make it slim. So I have a lot of fat on my face. Let me do this. If without those fat, my jawline is actually not bad without the fat. Okay, I can grab the fat here, and you can see the line. It's looking pretty good. See, my jawline is not bad, right? Chubby fat, because the chubby fat, so it makes my face look very round. Here is a recommendation where to put the tape, and so here is the jawline. You can put it here. If you have a double chin, you can also put the tape. It says 改善下垂脸贴位. People get older, the face will like go down. So this tape is also lift up your face, like lift up. Ooh, if I lift up my face, still a lot of smaller, right? Yeah, I have this much fat. Look, the line is a lot of smaller. Let me try it first. When you apply the tape on your face, if you just directly apply it on your face, there will be no result. So you need to nip the skin and then tape it. If you push it too hard, it will damage your skin. Peel off the plastic first. So I will peel off the top. Oh. And then it takes practice. Peel off this white plastic. I think I have a lot of fat over here. Okay, it's supposed to take this one out. When you put the tape and push up at the same time. And do you feel like a little bit up? And this is my first time doing it. I will do this. Ooh, my chin. Push, lift up. Oh, I failed. I just wasted one. So after you put this on your face, and if you peel it off, you can't use it second time. It's just not sticky at all. I failed. Let me try another one. Yeah, you need a lot of practice for those tape. So I don't want to waste it. It's actually not cheap. This one has to be a need to successful. Okay, peel the top. Okay, I want to have slim face. Okay, peel this plastic off. I need to find a right place. This part has a lot of fat. Stick here and peel this part off, and I will pull up. Need to pull it up. Yeah. Okay, this part is yeah. Do you feel like my face looks smaller now? Let's see this part. This part. See the line? Oh, maybe a little bit, right? This tape is actually very sticky because when I read the reviews, a lot of people wearing the tape for like over 8 hours, and when they pull it off, the skin turned red. It's like very hard to pull it off after a couple hours. It's very sticky, and you can see the blue line here, and you just pull the blue plastic off. You can't see, it's transparent, and it's actually smooth here. Do you feel like my face got smaller? Let me tie my hair up so you can see my chin. Okay, can you see my face get a little bit slimmer? See this line? Wow, it looks like my face look like a heart shape, right? And here it's a little bit chubby, right? Okay, let me do this side. As I know, this product is very popular in China, and it's also very popular in other Asian countries. I see people using it. Peel the top plastic off, push up. I don't have makeup here. Stick on it. Okay, and I'll pull it up. Okay. Hey, and then just peel the plastic off. Peel this off. What do you think about my face shape? Better to move all my hair to the back. I feel this side is smaller, right? Can you tell the differences? I think I did better on this side. And look, my mouth. It's like this side is like a little bit up, and this is a little bit far back. I can't peel it off. If I peel it off, it won't stick anymore. It worked. If I make this part even darker, maybe the result even better. This is my first time doing it. Make this part dark. Wow. Make this side black. Wow. I know it's too black. I just want to see how smaller my face can get. This is the first time I have a small face. It worked. It's actually hard to believe. It's like I had plastic surgery. Wow. The tape and plus this, and it is a 360 angle. This part. Is that really me? I never thought about makeup can make my chubby face look a lot slimmer. And if you use the tape, don't try to apply black eyeshadow like I did. I did this just because I want to see how smaller my face can get. Yeah, I can have a smaller face now. 360 angles, not just one angle. So how to remove the tape? It's just like how you remove the makeup. It says to use makeup removal and to press it and peel it at the same time. Must be very slow, and then to use face wash. If you just pull it directly, it might hurt your skin. Let me try it. The tape has been on my face less than 1 hour, so I don't think I really need the makeup removal. So I just like peel off like a little bit. It doesn't hurt and it didn't make my skin red. Remove the black eyeshadow. The fat chubby face. Right now you can see my face is a lot of rounder, so round. So this tape is definitely not good to wear it every single day. This tape is really good for photo shoot and also for actors, actresses, and for people who do performance. You can wear the tape to make your face slimmer. And also if you go to like conventions or anime conventions, you can wear the tape as well. Right now I have 3 pair and a half. so I need to save it. I can't wear this every day, can't afford it. Love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. It was so much fun to try it out. I really enjoying it. Happy face.